crappie.
Nice.
He got the one at the boat too, man. I just pulled my lure out of the water. Got some shoulders on this one. Beefy. Let him go. That's awesome. Awesome fish. Got a pickerel. Let's get hit as soon as it hit the water. Yes, sir. That pontoon just came out too. Beside me. Here we go. That's a good fish. Alrighty, let me grab this. Oops. Let him go, okay? It's a good fish. Got somebody's find us. Oh, shiner? Whoa. Look at that then.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That's a bait. Yeah. Probably smells. Alright, I'm gonna grab him real quick. Think of this picture. Got one little pickerel, a little perch, I mean.
Right.
Wow. Wow. No, I gotta get a bass now. Perch though, that's cool, man. The smoke, I thought it was a pickerel, but it was a perch. The length of it was long and skinny, like a pickerel. Let's go. Beautiful fish. So cool, I like the red fins. Beautiful. Can we move us over? Are you good?
I'm good.
I move us. Just keep her pinned. Oh shit! My bad. You got her. Behind you. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jesus.
On the Florida colored ribbit, baby.
Awesome, man. Thank you, Florida. So proud of you, man. So proud of you.
That's awesome.
That's a good way to get the monkey off your back.
Yes, sir. Yeah,
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's popped right out.
Awesome.
Yeah. I still got him.
Okay.
That's awesome. Yes. I'm trying to keep it down because we had the guy in the kayak and the pontoon right there. Dude, that was textbook. You saw him, you called that out, you called your shot. Good fish, dude.
Yeah, thank you.
As a boat, we collectively got the Jersey Slam. Alright, cool. Sit down quick. Alrighty.
Hey, good morning, guys. Just here on a lovely Sunday morning. Just here fishing with my son, and saw a wake or a bust a few yards behind me, so I did a quick cast using the ribbit style June bug frog, and he came up and hit it. and I set the hook, and then from what I've been told, he wasn't even hooked. So
Yeah,
I got him out somehow. So here he is.
that's right. Yeah, my dad, he was using a little like horny toad buzzing frog type deal, June bug colored, and he was casting around at lily pads, and we were seeing tons of bursts and tons of action, but we weren't able to really get anything as of yet. And he made a good cast, and I guess on the drop probably the fish hit the frog. Something just cracked off over there. We're gonna get back to fishing here in a moment. But yeah, guys, they're active. We'll be right back. Good fish dead. I'm gonna get a picture real quick. Right, Dad? Keep it on, keep it on. Yes, sir. Nice, man. You called that one, Dad. Good job, dude. We're waiting blue worm.
First time catching on anything on that one.
That's cool, man. That's what's up.
Yes.
Textbook.
You need a.
I might, yeah. And they're pretty good. Yeah, it's in there. Cool. Alrighty. Give him a little walk through, Dad.
Yeah, hey guys, I just fishing the bank over here, and did a cast with a red and blue lure, one I've never used before. So red and blue worked for me today, and yeah, so he came up and hit it, and thankfully, you know, I got him.
Yeah, awesome bass. Second one of the day. Really fun day out here. Great Sunday. Gonna go catch some more, hopefully.
Yep.
Had one hit. Fuck no. Got little one. Yep. A perch. That's a beautiful perch. That's a beautiful fish. That's awesome. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. It's a great fish, yo. Cool. Camera's all wonky. Little perch. Jacked into the moon. Good fish. Cool.
Hey guys, got this pick. I was just throwing the wacky worm around, black lure, and he came out and hit it. So that's it. It's gonna be a good day.
Yeah, really fun day. We've been catching some. I think my dad mentioned he was throwing the wacky worm around, and this thing came out and blasted it, and just took him for a ride. So we're gonna let him go. We just want to show you guys real quick. I'm gonna get a picture. One moment. All right, ready when you are.
Hey guys, I was throwing around the black wacky worm, and this little guy came up and hit it, and I'm grateful for it. So had a great day on a Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, we're gonna let him go here in a moment. We just want to get his picture real quick. Nice little pickerel. All right, Daddy, it's about like 1 o'clock right now. Do you want to start heading into the ramp, or do you want to go back to the pit up there, or you're good?
Yeah.
All right.
Have a good day.
Me too.
Don't ruin it.
Me too. I'm not gonna let it ruin me. No matter what happens at the ramp, no matter who's there, again, frick them. Not any. I got one. Perch. Awesome. I thought I was gonna end it on the bluegill. On the perch. Oh, squirmy. Squirmy. Let him go. What's going on, guys? I'm sitting here in the garage making a little outro for you. I got the YouTube video all put together. Just realized I hadn't wrapped up or anything for you guys, and I kind of left you guys hanging. So I just wanted to jump in real quick and fill you guys in on our day. Me and my dad took out the boat and we caught some fish. He caught some bass, some pickerel. I caught everything but a bass. I caught pickerel, crappie, bluegill, perch, and even a shiner. So a really interesting day, really fun day. I had lots of activity on other lures like wacky and a frog and a swim dinger, but wasn't really able to catch anything like I hoped to. But hey, that's what happens. You have those days. But my dad caught stuff. That's awesome. I caught some things. So really good day. Trying to think if I didn't cover anything. Yeah, like I said, we're out in the JON boat. I'm probably gonna take that out again tomorrow. I'm not really sure where yet. I have a few places in mind. I guess I'll just figure out where I'm gonna go tomorrow, depending on when I wake up and how much gas I'm looking to burn. So yeah, look out for that video tomorrow, hopefully. And yeah, just wanted to fill you guys in on our day. Like I said, really enjoyed my time out there with my father. Really good day. Really feels good to be back on the boat. You guys probably are aware. If not, I was out in Florida this past week, so getting back into the routine is really nice. And again, playing with my own toys is fun. So yeah, if you guys like the video, please make sure to LSS. Again, it's like, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any comments, feel free to do that below, and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. And as always, keep casting.